I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, slow move lower. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin 1 hour chart, just a waiting game right now. So we talked about this possible hidden bearish divergence, which seemingly is playing out. It's been a slow downward crawl, not too amazing. Price action's right below the upper trend line of this falling wedge. Also below this major resistance right here, or this resistance level. There's another resistance level at about 34,760, and then strong resistance is up here at 36,000. So if you do get a breakout of this pattern, potentially you could see a move up in this area, which would invalidate this $29,000 measured move. However, if it doesn't happen, you just always assume that the price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't. And it's really that simple, right? I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin Sunday night, Monday morning. This is a Bitcoin 4 hour chart, and you can see we had this triangle that the price action had printed previously, and Bitcoin did break to the downside, and potentially it's come back up here and it's retesting this bull pennant, right? And remember, when bull pennants break to the downside, you get these falling wedges. So it's really important to understand like how one pattern turns into the next. 68% chance it breaks out to the upside. However, obviously the price action continues down here. You get a breakout to the upside. Your measured move is just based on this distance. And so it wouldn't necessarily give us a breakout of this major overhead resistance. But at this point, Bitcoin's ranging, and we've actually had some pretty good NFT trading. And so we've really been focused on altcoins, NFT altcoins, DeFi. So I'm gonna go over some of these setups that we've been looking at. I just want to explain some ideas. I think it's really important that you understand these altcoin trading ideas, and we'll go into some detail on that. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person hit me up and he says, dude, your Luna setup was clutch. Caught almost 300% profits, 286% in one trade. This person made about $1,432 in a short period of time. We're going to go over Luna's setup. It's pretty amazing what Luna's done in the past. This person took some losses in crypto, took some time off, rewatched. I've got these epic trading videos that are very simple. All these are brand new traders. Like, these people have not traded before. In a day, he was up 100% alone. So that's huge. This person took some losses and now he's up $10,000 in 7 days. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes, period. I will make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups. Look at this. These are some of our recent trades. 33% gains, 115% gains, 47%, 23%, Uni banging. Lena up 37%, 37% out of TLM. 1 inch 14%, ETH we're up 15%, huge. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. This is TVK, an NFT project. So rising wedges, rising channels break to the downside 68% of the time. However, when they do break higher, you get parabolic moves to the upside. Now, these are some of the reasons why I'm new to look at TVK, right? So always have your Bollinger Bands on, right? Because you get good ideas for continuation if these 12-hour candles or daily candles or 5-minute candles continue to close above the upper Bollinger Band. Those are upside continuation ideas, right? There's massive amounts of volume coming in. This means everybody else is watching this coin, buying it. Potentially, there's obviously been a lot more buyers than sellers when you look at this price action curving higher. And I've got a pretty good chart to show you what Luna did. And it looks similar to what TVK is doing now. And TVK is just getting started. RSI is tricky here because it's overbought. Like it's screaming like I need to cool off. Stochastic RSI has been pegged overbought. So a lot of times when you get these parabolic curves, your indicators don't work as well. They stay pegged to the extreme overbought levels. So if we go and look at the TVK setup, if you look at this rounded bottom, right? When the price action breaks, see this yellow? This is the 200 simple moving average coming in here. When the price action breaks above the 200 simple, and then all the major moving averages follow with it, that's a good sign for bullish continuation, right? Bullish follow through. This is a bullish catalyst. As soon as you see that, you can see you get this parabolic price action. All the moving averages, when they line up in order, right? I've got the 21 in gray. It's kind of hard to see here. 50, 80, 100, 200. That's a good sign of a strong uptrend, right? And so there's people that would, part of their trading strategy would say, as long as the price action is holding above the 21 on this idea, then they're going to stay in the trade. All the moving averages are showing they're bullish, they're curving higher, right? And so this is a situation where it's be safer to get a pullback to support, right? Where you're buying the move to the downside. You guys get Tradingview, right? It's free to use. You can use it with some basic indicators. You can actually even go to 5 SMA's Crypto Revolution, and this will count for all the simple moving averages, and they'll be the same color as mine, so we can stay on the same page. I had a member of my trading group that put this together, so all the colors are set right there too. And because TradingView limits the amount of indicators on the free version, this will only count as 1 indicator instead of 5, where if you had it split up. So that's just a quick, easy tip for you. So TVK looks real good here. I mean, it's rounded bottom, it's NFT coin, and it's potentially in this small rising wedge at this point, right? However, like we talked about, when these rising wedges break higher, and it was right at this breakout confirmation line. And there's scalping ideas here that we were looking at in the trading group. And this rising wedge, like these are not supposed to break higher. When they do break higher, you get these explosive moves to the upside, right? And so good to see a lot of people in the trading group killed it on this idea. But I want you to understand this happens on the right side of inverse head and shoulders, cup and handles, double bottoms. Let me give you an example here. So let's say Luna, right? This is double bottom, right? So on the right side of a double bottom, you had a rising wedge. These break lower. Look at this one here. Look, this is a rising wedge. 68% chance. These are supposed to break lower, just like this. This one broke higher, and look what happened. It just exploded, right? And so this happens on the right side of double bottoms. Double bottoms, W patterns, sometimes people call them W patterns. On the right side of cup and handles, this is similar. Cup and handles, rounded bottoms, right? They'll break to the upside as well, a higher percentage of the time. Not to say, hey, you should, go all in just on this idea. You got to wait for a breakout, a retest, right? Confirmation. You always want to get confirmation. All right, so now if you look at TVK, you come over here, and I mean, this ran up, nice profits, and then now it's coming down here and retest. And so basically the way you're dealing with this is if it breaks back into the pattern, or if it breaks below, this is the breakout confirmation line right here, right? Essentially, if it bounces here, you can open a trade based on this idea because you're retesting here, right? Or you're looking for a pullback to one of these support levels, right? These white boxes show those levels, 17 cents, 15 cents, right? And you're looking for a bounce based on this idea. And then this would give you the trading idea. I mean, there's some potential upside for TVK midterm if these NFT coins and Bitcoin continue to move like they have been. So I saw this and I thought about you guys. Normal is getting dressed in clothes that you buy for work and driving through traffic in a car that you're still paying for in order to get to the job that you need to pay for the clothes and the car and the house you leave vacant all day so you can afford to live in it. The reason why I have this channel, the reason why I make videos every day for you guys, number one, you make all of this possible, and I'm very grateful. We've got to break the norm. The reason why we're in crypto is so we can get out of this traffic jam, the rat race. As kids, we're shuttled into a school system in the United States that raises us to go to college and get a job and make everybody else rich. The sooner that you realize making things happen for yourself every single day will lead you to fast success. And potentially you could have a 4 or 6 year plan in crypto. Let me just grind this out. Let me just get these 4 or 6 years knocked out, get a bull run in or two, and then boom, life-changing money. Regardless, no one has ever bought Bitcoin and been in a loss 4 years later. This is it. This is it. This is our chance to get out of this traffic, to get out of this normalcy. This is it. I'll keep you guys updated daily. This person came out and he said, hey, great video. And he said, sounds like you're beginning to agree that we're in a bear market. Yeah, the market's bearish. The big alt season isn't coming this year. You'll have to remember in 2018, very bearish market, there was a Bitcoin drop from $18,000 down to $6,000. I bought $18,000 Bitcoin. Then I went big at $6,500 Bitcoin and I sold it at $11,000. 2 weeks later, alt season happened shortly after that. Neo 5x'd on me. Alt seasons, I'm not talking about like the one time ever altcoin season that's the biggest altcoin season in the history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but I'm saying these altcoin season they come in different shapes, sizes. These DeFi and NFT coins have these cycles, right? And these altcoins are trying to bottom right now, and I'll build this case with you. CHR. This is a nice one. And CHR is an NFT project, and it hasn't taken off yet. Now, it broke out today. I posted this setup. And I mean, potentially for upside continuation to happen, like you're essentially looking for a retest of this level, right? You have this long downtrend. CHR came down and tested this level. Now rounded bottoms pay the bills. They're back. So these are bottoming patterns. So you get this cup and handle, right? So you got these price targets over here. Pay attention to CHR. NFT project hasn't taken off yet. Needs a bullish retest right here. Broke above the 200. All the major moving averages are coming to cross bullish. You've got on the 4 hour, you got a golden cross coming. Golden cross. Bulls show up here, more upside. TVK. Like I said, TVK just needs this bounce. This is breakout confirmation of the setup that I gave you right here. There's extensive upside if the bulls can show up and put in a bounce at these levels. Luna. So I posted this earlier. This is a bull pennant that's breaking out now. I mean, on a trade like this, you'd potentially want to look for, looks like it's going to break this level. Let me show you what Luna's done real quick so you understand like the bottoming ideas. Like this. Luna. Okay, so we talked about this epic upside. Look at this. This is a bottoming pattern. These altcoins bottom. This is a reversal idea. This is a trend reversal. This is a downtrend. Downtrend, reversal, uptrend. This is a huge, epic uptrend. Luna freaking went crazy. But then look at this. Look what happened here. Then Luna pulled back. Shoulder, head, shoulder. See that? Inverse, shoulder, head, shoulder. Inverse head and shoulders. And then it did it again. And it took off more. This thing went crazy. Like understanding these bottoming patterns, Luna was up 1,500% from this double bottom that we've discussed. Okay, here we are. All right, here's Luna now. Again, it's trying to bottom, right? You had this huge Bitcoin drop, so we'll just omit this, right? This is kind of an anomaly. But look, you got shoulder, head, shoulder, right? We got into Luna right about here. Well, look what happened. Huge upside. Now, go back to TVK, right? Go back to TVK. Let's see what TVK did. It all has to start somewhere. Rounded bottom, cup and handle. Could we get a double bottom here? Sure. But this is trying to reverse the trend. Major reversals happen like this. Bitcoin has to cooperate. But if you understand, like a lot of people are like, is this a bear market? Look at what these altcoins are doing. NFT coins and DeFi coins are booming. And a lot of people don't even see this. What I'm looking for a major reversal out of Bitcoin, and it's possible that Bitcoin takes off, Bitcoin dominance bounces, and then Bitcoin runs by itself to the extent where altcoins don't necessarily cycle higher. Bitcoin is the focus. Altcoins see obviously green price action, but for this scenario to play out, I want to see a break of about 48 to 50% for Bitcoin dominance. If that happens, you'll see a major trend change out of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin could run a lot higher. But until that happens, we're just playing these little altcoin seasons. When this is trending lower, are we going to get a bounce here, or are we going to continue to the downside? And then these altcoins continue to move. This shows us that money is flowing into the altcoins because Bitcoin dominance is dropping. So where is it going? Altcoin dominance. The money is flowing more so into the altcoins. One thing that we saw out of Luna was you had a breakout. This was the breakout confirmation line, right? And then it came down here and it W patterned, right? Double bottom. And then you got upside continuation. Pay attention to these double bottoms after a breakout. Look at all this volume. I want you guys to really focus on volume. Look at all the volume happening here. Why is all this volume here? Because people are trading this coin. The focus is here. You want to see big moves out of these coins, focus on the coins with volume. Volume is one of the most important indicators. Listen, if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom. I'll see you guys tomorrow.